In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use date columns in Monday.com fast and easy. Utilizing date columns effectively within Monday.com can significantly enhance your project management experience, allowing you to effortlessly keep track of deadlines, important meetings, and project milestones. So let's dive in and see how you can start optimizing your use of date columns today. To get started, the first thing you'll want to do is add a date column to your board. This is a simple process that opens the door to a world of scheduling and organizational benefits. To add a date column, navigate to the top of your board where the column headers are located. Look for the plus icon and click on it. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Date from the list of available column types. Once added, you'll see a new column appear on your board specifically designated for dates. It's straightforward, yet powerful, setting the stage to integrate essential timing elements into your tasks. Once your date column is in place, it's time to fill it with relevant data. To do this, click on the date field next to the item you wish to assign a date to. What happens next is a calendar will pop up, simplifying the process of picking a specific date that aligns with your schedule. You can easily navigate through the months to find the exact date you're aiming for. This visual representation allows you to select your desired date with a quick and simple click, making it both user-friendly and efficient. As you become more comfortable with managing dates within Monday.com, you might find it helpful to enable deadline mode. This feature is particularly beneficial if you're organizing projects with strict timelines or when tasks need to be completed by a particular day. To enable deadline mode, hover over the header of the date column, and you'll see an arrow appear to the right of the column title. Click on this arrow and select Column Settings. Here, you'll find an option to toggle on the deadline mode. Enabling this feature can transform how you perceive and manage deadlines, as the platform will automatically highlight items approaching their due date, ensuring nothing slips through the cracks. Finally, you can leverage these date columns not just for tracking deadlines, but also for creating reminders and scheduling. The ability to couple these dates with Monday.com's automation options ensures you receive timely alerts as deadlines approach. This feature is perfect for those who need regular reminders to keep projects on track. Moreover, integrating it into the wider spectrum of tasks allows you to streamline workflow, improve efficiency, and maintain project momentum. By customizing the notifications and reminders, you can ensure everyone is aware of upcoming tasks, promoting better communication and team collaboration. And that's it. By following these steps, you'll be able to make the most out of date columns in Monday.com, ensuring your projects are well organized and deadlines are met with ease. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing.